na say muntem obi say na me almost me didi Sefa Kayi atem na nkofo kan na kwa me Sefa Kayi na is a foolish man tieniye enye dana post na me ye no na ye issue no sa da no na bibia nsie ma bona to ho since 2017 me say obi en so wo ya ade a memfa deadline to ho why ya ade ma yedin man kasa meba asama me ka main issue tiam be live video meba so me ma mo preamble bi so wo ya ade a na se me man respond ya memfa nse otrim se metwa so asam na ade na wo ye no deadline ni ho me be respond you make me respond 5 years later na me wo ye ma de a meye wu bi in one way or the other meye wu bi Ghana for pesa suban no me ye wade a minim sa de na me ye na ye o ba ye din na me fan ye wo no bi anka so ye ni papa me ye ni pa bonini me ye ni papa kwa me Sefa Kayi way back 2017 obianti asam na me kan ye na ye wadanfo bi o wa peteshi ba bi wo Roman Rage munim Azmera wudu Azmera we Tennessee Roman Rage shopping again no we Tennessee and Azmera straight road in mountain straight left her I say o my block bi o na wa dan for bi Bismarck or wa peteshi ba bi she ho ewia ho na e kofa appetite na the Azmera o just here metiwa na Sefa Kayi bai o bebo na ne jot ne nsa metiwa no bai na senke na eyo obi ankan ya me ya but those days na me nom jot no onza me come no me nom jot na me jaye those days na me nom jot no me no tena ase me ba ko na ma bo me jot so e wo de so me and you we are on that level what I say wo ye nua pani me ye wo nua ketwa ntie ni you from 2017 besin there we me ye brief me to me frɛ oba ba me fie na ma frɛ o se bedi enti manya wo kwota wo me o chairman general na manya wo say wo hu kwa me plus one of our boys no I am your ko me no what I say me ma ko university abrochiri me ma no me no mo te London o mo ba Ghana o mo plane ticket for some year $20,000 business class vision wo hitro men hu me say one of our boys bi na no that be men yes we yes pa obenya problem me start campaign me ko ye 1 year consistent me ko ye yibima me nsiro bi esika consistent 1 year. So don't you see, show me respect, I'll show you respect. What I say? When you show me respect, I'll show you respect. Wo be shia me wo ho no. Asema obe kan say, wo na wo tata aban no. Tio, Sefa Kayi be shia me Roman Rage or Bismarck no. Wo na wo tata ban na wo kan abuni asensu kan government appointees won asem so mo ye corrupt ne Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no e yo man bi so anko mo ekun dadaada Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no se yo man bi so anka ye kun dadaada enti for so many years ye tata atamils ye tata na owu ye kura na ye bema papa na rest in peace kura na ye tata no eno de na enye o man bi so me enkuyen ye mfa ne sai normal Jomama bedi president from 20 ye tata and they now support it but me ankasa me nuanom boys ye nya ntokwa ye nyina ye party fo ye nya ntokwa wo be ka kire me say your man bi so anka ekume de dada but wo de o say utumi tran wo de o say utumi tran peace and all the utumi kan NDC asem won your man bi so de anka wo de anka ye nkun won as me nua pani anya say bia wo nua bia wo nim ni so ma fa wo nua wo me no like I know you know me ye nyina tena ase before me see Amadia shopping center na ba a wine shop bi o ho na ye tena na ye boy ye jot we catch them say because of politics intino ene nya wo benya di intino no wo interest intino na wo aban aba power intino mo bia nkasa bi o me kasa nka o say o man bia nko to support say me can when people express themselves I will see you kun o what was your senior journalist enu na mami enu na afi na time na so say de bia medi na tem won enya by force o udi matem 10 years ago na mankasa 10 years later me di watem enya by force udi me amindi ubi because I would dim attempts we do attempt like hey yente obidie no esa me die no yente me pese hoye din silence in court na ma comedy na kire ti asema ma to so create Sefa Kayi me kan si so say enye se bia kwame plus on your bodanfo just that Ghana for performer nyame my year but ye din me ya de enye but men kasa e wa ban adwumam e wo hospital wo baby a nurse nim say de no ye no bi bewu but emfa ne ho drive onim say we baby emfa ne ho boga me de me respond it yen twa anu nyina nkogu dana me papa send the voice note no na o say ni mamienu omo nkasa se eye me ya me hu say by 1 year time na mewu na mesrem se me mamienu mo nkasa e ha me na me kan say man me masami a wo kan masami a wo kan de me nti ase eye no krese me ne menua ye nkasa but me mete one na profile from social media say kohwe unua no edi watem social media but oye menua ketwa me ntumi respond me ntumi ndi na tembi ntumi kokan bia na metutu so atemdi di odidi me nyina say na me ne MPP aban ku na say but ono ya akwara me na me ye pani ntimi nsoso ntino menua oye ya but oye menua ina oye menua me dono ba wonu made ntia na menua no yesa na ma me efi akoto na hye nechi efi akoto obegu efi akoto won oye devil nti se wo hu se me ye bibi ena te se na me kan so create na me kan Sefa no enye na semu efi akoto me mine na fucking efi akoto. You have to be grateful. And because all denyania, no why ye nuane, no why it's not their break. Kwame wo he beje. I was say ye okoto say ye kan a plus asempe wo se munjai. Enye wo na obekwa kwahye me nua chi so oni ni nua embe ko me papa be wu na na ere aho. Me papa obewu no na na ere aho because of wo mama efi akoto. We say all those years man can Kwame plus me wa botre too much. We work as Kwame plus nya botre no. That is one say me wa botre I can endure me. Make me ye dim why we ase bibia me endurance level no with different level. Hey voltage no was so. Hey me to me endure sa but that me bie no. Hey fuse bia be blow. Fuse bia be blow because heat no but voltage no e wo gigaboom. And I met ya differently. And then Nyamia do me nyami back. Mini and there, if I could do, I don't know. Nemum, share na, you be and ka won't Kwame plus asem. Won't Kwame plus asem in the sense that who could prepare with naked photo they could send a Maxwell. And Yamia ka nim guasi. Why can't people be grateful? And can come a problem when you Kwame plus me solve it. Ubetumi about social media ba be ye ba mu mpani fo no munya problem e be frɛ Kwame because when in the way I met here it takes a lot for me to react mu mpani fo no problem no so e be frɛ Kwame uko pipwa wo photo una wo kofa wo phone wo pese wo di obi kumu by force wo twa wo naked photo e de send nipa no send nipa na yere na kuta photo no ade chinye na be issue na me nam ha na me pacho na me yesay I ensure that my before koto wunya problem na ban na ba foforo me bu koto dwa me pacho munya botro ebegu akofo do anim ase say my ya na me twitwa je wo na me yufim ade chinye wo twa wo high improvo so mo be di matem and that's what start ya no pa we what start bi mu on ana pa we so denya ne wo be san be start bi mu on problem ben na bank kroma bisa gabi bisa bedi etu bisa NDC boys no mi bisa ya yira koku bisa Ferguson me na me franka chom say me sremo say wa broni asema ye kan akufo adoye ye papa mamu ye ne say me very reasonable guy say wa broni Mene kasa, hey, so mene kasa chen ubia, mene se oboni yedi nkomo sa, mumbi sa waboni say, how many times me pa ne chaw sewa, men ye say why, me de mano, and yes bia sewa, ye beji ske bia mo na say, me de mano, chaw pa. Say one me pa chow, say one man yes say Akufo-Addo ye papa, even though I have issues with Akufo-Addo is still our father, and I don't think it's right to do this. Me pass a wabro ni chow na momu di matem, but na me pa on one side, me say wa every day me see so constantly. Don't do any, it's okay. I was even when you people were fighting with me, ask a wabro ni that who was talking to her. Cause therefore moi mo behwe mo ya campaign ma ba o mi enwini no mo focus no wo Kwame plus hey me nipo ku ametwale o me do nyame hey mo hwe mo ya mo campaign me do nyame nyankopo me come mama wo mo wiase nka every week mo press conference. Focus on your campaign. My best friend, one of my best friends in this country that nobody knows is Napo. Listen carefully. One of my best friends that nobody knows in this country, Napo. One of my best friends in this country that nobody knows. One of the people that I respect. One of the people that we chat. We never have done public. I've never gone to his house. One of my best is Napo. When we program on Sunday, Napo told me that your program Kumasi no waba. Me and Napo we are on a different level. Napo senka me yeba and come the secret side check. And so I want the best for him. But me menso song was ya senso. Ye when MPP communication, I said one spend a lot of time. When I asked Dr. Baumi, and Napo told him that I will bring A+ on the campaign. Go and ask him. Well, as to whether I will do it or not, it's a different matter altogether. But don't try me. Don't try me. I said me nipa okun Ametwale. Me nipa, I know the person who allegedly killed Ametwale. And focus on your campaign if you like. Call police. Go and call A+. I will go and write a statement and we'll make it public. Can't you just focus and do your government and me start some year campaign maybe so busy with Sika. Come me plus your guy man. Me more because I know how to do my things. I will fight with you, and the people who are going to vote for me, they know that this guy is the fighter. This guy will fight for us. This guy will make sure that this guy is the guy that we are looking for. They know that this guy, we are looking for Obia Wabodam, somebody who is not unconventional person. They know down there nobody can beat me in that election. And if you like, come and do your things. You go a bit over more. We are part one. Men fan show team no be ase standing MP no nkrofo no omo botai omo ye omo ho na menua no na omo anya hwea mo te se omo pebodanfo te se America for Donald Trump no we are asesa. The people are looking for somebody with a different mindset. They are looking for somebody who thinks in a certain way. The people have seen a different person. So me, I'm not scared, and me, I will not change. And the reason why I will be back social media, Kwame, me sponsor our campaign, me usika, campaign, or change me, I mean to menka, me my dear. I'm thinking differently. It's man find show with him, man, my name, muda. Say mo best spend more time. Hey. Me manum kalipo ne Hogan anum kalipo. Who my dear meet my yafi. Focus. Your campaign manager is who? Opariansa. Go and ask him. I didn't say somebody. Kwame, we have to sit down and talk. Your umpeni for na green. Multi form hona mu Jimmy. Me no me no we will be ase ahon he. Me no me no we will be ase me no be problem forever and ever. No we will be asking no be problem forever. Opa didi matem. Opa and family who me I don't care. Me, if you like. Go view meba. Meba. If you like, say whatever you want to say. Me, I don't care. But if you do like you can threaten me, like you can. don't try. I bet trigger. I bet trigger want to mean cancer asem no. And now we young say you me power, only power bia. Me. O pese woni me din koma home. Emphas kenimba. Men phobia powerful. Opa ko hwep Prince Ama. If you kuma Prince Ama kwa constituency na. Keep Takrade Prince Dr. Prince Ama, Deputy Minister for housing. Opa ko phobia so no. Opa for no bra. Ana ko hwɛ boys ni anka man je wo ho sɛ wo pa I would tell you I would untumi ya hwe obey den ena me meet untumi ya hwe sɛ mo pentokwa me ni je ho I love it I will fight I want to fight look I'm looking for a reason. Napo is my friend. How can I campaign against him? If you give me reason, I'll do it. Wallahi tala. If you give me reason, I'm looking for a reason to do. But just that Dr. Baumi, I'm a ferino. Now I'm can't say more income. I'm if I could almost ask them now, can say, oh, what target for say, omonko did me here at them. I'm sure I did. Me, I can never lie in this life. I didn't hear train one. It's not right. This is me. Mary, I did not try. It's not right. It's no way deleting. So all those who are commenting, no, they can comment their comment. I don't know them. I don't have anything. I've never spoken. I've not done anything for them, so they can comment their comments. Or no, by encouraging the queen, they be catching and say, "Queen, I are welcome." What you say different, but the meaning is different. Because when you speak, people can interpret it the way they want. So don't speak and expect people to understand it the way you want. You know, so I say, "Obi di nkwasiasa." Wrong with me. I say. Asafun si enu kra no sanwe oba enu ye better asafun akwei di asafun ba unya ka se osankwasi asa me so whether it's my wife, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my best friend, I will not accept it because me to understand it in some way into one year but mama for to en can be what I say. And yes, I want to be share posts. I'm coming for some good idea. Hey, man, my asem. What's here? Women no start with me on Grand Kruma. Man, my asem last warning. Men try. And I'm with it. When I'm with NPP, focus on your campaign. Munko communication meeting, NPP communication. Munko meeting. Can say, let us focus. If you I would. Hey. You see, I told that Napo is my friend. I will fight against his campaign. Me, I don't care. But